Hi, and welcome to Prendi, the online learning platform of the new decentralized era. We can find all the information about Prendi on the Educator network GitHub repo. As it says in the user interface section, we have to run npm install and npm run start to start our development server. The development server will look like this. The homepage shows some videos where students can learn Python, React, blockchain, etc. This is where new cores will be added every week. On the account page, we're going to be able to see your Ethereum balance. You have the ability to upload a new video. Teachers and subject matter experts will have the ability to upload a new video. This new video will be sent out to IPFS, which will return a hash, and once we submit that video, we're going to be able to, it's going to be available in our platform. Students that wish to purchase this video can go to the purchase button. This purchase button will trigger our smart contract function to buy that specific video, and we'll be able to watch it accordingly. We also have the options of adding translations to the videos so that the reach of the educational content can extend to the whole world. Now we're going to move over to our smart contract portion of the demo. We're going to demonstrate the functionality of the smart contract using Remix Online IDE. First thing to notice is that I'm using two different libraries, one for string manipulation and the second one for performing safe math, which is a Open Zeppelin library. We can see here that the smart contract has successfully compiled, and now we're going to deploy the contract onto the network. As we can see, we have a list of methods here that we can use. I'm going to expand on those so that it is more clear what the parameters are. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to select the first user. We're going to call him instructor1. Instructor1 is going to add a new video. And so we're going to set the price for this new video at 150. Description is going to be Solidity Fundamentals. And the IPFS location, which is the hash that we get back from IPFS after storing a file. It's going to be video 1. We can see that it's successful, and if we go to the output, we can see that we got the output of 0. So that is going to be our video ID for this Solidity Fundamentals video. Next thing we're gonna try to do is get the video to make sure that the parameters that we passed are successful. And we can see that the description is Solidity Fundamentals, price 150, and it has the correct IPFS location. This get video method only works with videos that have been initialized. So we passed a video ID, let's say 1, which has not been initialized. We should get an error saying video does not exist. Next thing we're going to do is add a translation for this video. So we're going to go to our second account. We're going to add a translation. Video ID is 0. Price for the translation is going to be 50 for the language of Spanish. IPFS location is going to be translate 1. And we can see that we have successfully added a new translation. We can get a translation by specifying the video ID and the language. So we know that video ID is 0 and the language is Spanish. And we can see now that we get the price of 50 and the corresponding IPFS location. This has the same type of modifiers as get video. So get translation for a non-existing video will return us an error. No translation for that language yet. And also, we are checking against the list of valid languages, as we can see in this line 35. And so we want to try to do a language, for example, invalid. We can see that there is not a valid translation for that language. Next thing that we're going to do is actually purchase a video. And so now we're going to switch to our third account. This third account, let's call him student 1, is going to go ahead and purchase a video. So we're going to purchase, we need to pass the video ID, which is 0. Here you can see that we're not passing any value, so we get the error that there are not enough funds. So what we're going to do is pass the video. As you can see, get video 0 has a price of 150. So if we pass a value of 150 and we try to purchase that video again, it's going to give us a success. We're also going to be able to purchase a translation for that corresponding video. So we know that there is a Spanish translation for the Solidity Fundamentals video. And so what we're going to try to do is purchase translation for video ID 0, and the language that we want is Spanish. Same error again. There are not enough funds because we did not pass a value to our call. We get translation, we see that the price is 50, and so we're going to pass the value of 50 and try purchasing that translation again. Now we have a success.